Make 3D object in Illustrator. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create simple 3D designs using Adobe Illustrator, especially beginners who want to expand their design skills. It helps them understand basic tools and effects, making it easier to produce more visually engaging graphics for projects, branding, or personal creative work. Start by opening your Illustrator application on your computer. Once the program is ready, move your cursor to the top menu bar and click on the File menu to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this list, select New to create a new document. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose a preset size. Pick your desired preset from the available stock options, and then click the Create button to open a blank canvas. Next, look to the left toolbar and select your object tools. For this tutorial, choose the rectangle tool so you can create a simple box shape. After selecting it, move your cursor onto the canvas area. Click and hold your left mouse button. Then drag your pointer across the canvas until the rectangle reaches your preferred size, and release the mouse button to place it. With your base object ready, go back to the top menu bar and click on Effect. From the drop-down menu, hover over 3D and then select Extrude and Bevel. A pop-up window will appear, giving you several options to adjust your 3D design. Use the position controls to change the angle and direction of your object in 3D space, noting that the blue color indicates the front side of the object. After setting the angle position and direction, adjust the extrude depth to achieve the thickness you want. Once satisfied, click OK to apply the effect. Your object will now appear in a 3D form. Select the object again and modify its fill color and stroke color according to your preference. You can also change the stroke weight to enhance the styling. Try to create some shape with the provided tools. Experiment by creating different 3D shapes and applying various depth and angle settings to become more familiar with the 3D feature. Practice and more practice will enhance your skill with the 3D effect. Following the steps by steps, you can improvise following your creativity.